Hey kids, welcome to Axel Trucks. It's just me today, Axel's daddy. Hey Axel, I love you, Bubba. Dude, we have something pretty exciting going on today. It's a crane. Look, a mobile crane. It's picking up this tower right here. Look at that, there's the crane operator. Look at that. He's picking up this large tower. It's a cell phone tower. Wow. They're setting it down right there. Pretty cool, huh? That thing is so heavy. Super heavy. Wow. Just picks it up real easily. Probably doesn't even feel it hardly. Look. See these legs that extend out to balance the crane? It's mobile. See the wheels? It can just drive on the highway. You've probably seen one coming down the highway. Now they have another piece up there that they're going to get off. I'll be right back whenever they get that one off. They're putting the straps on right now. They put them through those holes, and then that ball picks it up. Here it goes. Picking it up. They have to do it really slowly to make sure it doesn't swing around too much. Pretty cool. Wow. Nice and steady. Pretty cool. Hey, do you guys want to see them pick it up and put it straight up on its stand? We'll be back in a little bit to see them do that. There it goes. It's up in the air now. Wow, look at that. Is that cool or what, Bubba? That thing is so heavy. Wow. There it goes. Oh man. They have to be so careful because if it fell, it would crush all these cars right here. Wow, look at that. They just swung that right around and put it in place. And it's in! Alright kids, wasn't that awesome? There's cool stuff like this going on all the time. You just gotta keep your eyes peeled and look outside. When you're driving, look out the window and see if you can see stuff like this going on. Look, all these cars, they're driving by. And if they look out their window, they can see a crane like this working. Look at the world, kids. Explore. Be curious about what's going on. Have your own adventures. Bye, Axel. Love you, Bubba. Bye, kids.